Write an assembly language program which is multiply two number, which is multiply two number stored in 8400H and 8401H and 8401H. Store the result in 8600H and carry in 8601H and carry in 8601H. So what are the inputs and output?
The inputs are 8400H and 8401H.
Yeah, 8400H, there is a data. 8401H, there is a data. Say
The output is 8600H and 8601H.
8600H and 8601H.
8601H.
So multiply. Say this is 5 and this is 4. So if I am multiplying 5 into 4, what are the result?
20.
It is 14. Right? Is
Yes,
it
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
How it's 14?
5 into 4 equals to 20. 20 minus 16 equals to 4 and carry 1.
Means 20 will be converted into the hexadecimal, it will be 14.
Yes.
Carry, there is a no carry, so 0 0. If it is a like 1 1 4, so it will be 0 1 and 1
Yes,
4.
yes, yes.
Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So how it can be done? I am explaining you any kind of instructions for multiplications.
No, sir. I think not.
So how I can multiply two numbers? Any procedures? Tell me
एडिशन कोड का
Sir, I
वैसे
have.
Sir, can I add the addition?
how it will be done.
Sir, first, if there is 5, then I will store 1 in 5 locations, in 5 slots. Then I will.
Sir, if I'm doing like that, 5 added 4 times or 4 added with 5 times, it can be possible.
Yes, sir.
My question is, my answer is clear to everyone. If
Yes,
Yes,
I'm
sir.
sir.
doing number 5 are added with 4 times or number 4 added with 5 times, it can be possible.
Yes, it will be possible.
yes
So
sir.
will we do the same? There is a no
No.
multiplication instructions in 8085. That's why we are doing the same. We are add 5 4 times or 4 5 times. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So now like that. Sir, what are the previous program? If I am modifying this one, it can be possible.
Yes, sir.
How? Which line I will be modified?
Mm,
This program can be modified 1, 2, 3 lines. Then this program can be possible.
okay.
How it
Sir,
can
I
be possible?
ওই লুপ চালালে অ্যাডিশনটা
না লুপ তো হবেই।
মানে
I think
যেটা
so.
আমরা প্রথমে
ক্যারিটা
ভ্যালুটা পাবো সেটা আবার ইনিশিয়াল ভ্যালু ধরে পরেরটা আবার অ্যাড করবো।
Sir, what are the number stored in 8400 and 8401, right?
Yes, sir.
So there is no questions of 8500.
No.
No.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So first number, that is the 8400. What are the value?
the value stored in 8400 na?
Huh.
5.
5. So I am using 5 times addition of 4.
Hmm.
So this value will be stored in a B register,
Hmm.
means used for loop purpose.
Hmm.
So these two line is absolutely okay.
Huh.
Okay.
Hmm.
These two line also absolutely okay.
Yes, sir.
Because at the initial level we should be add with 0.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Hmm.
sir.
Next, what are the which number I will be add? 5 is 5 time additions. Which number I will be add?
So 5.
Which number I will be
4.
add?
I will add 4 5 times.
4 5 times. Very good. So it should be 8401.
01.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Sir, next there is another line change. Sir, we are always add which number?
We are always adding 4.
4. No, we never add the content of 8402 or 8403 or 8405.
Hmm.
So we don't need INXH.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
So star will be in DCRB. Program is completed already. Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It is.
Any queries if you have, you can ask me. Let me know if you have any queries.
No, sir, there are not.
Only I am changing the 2 lines. This is 8401, this one, and I am not increasing the value of HL register pair because we always add, that is the content of 8401. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can I proceed? If you
Yes,
want to write down, you can write down the program. This is the program to multiply the two numbers.
So completed.
Next, I will explain you some instructions. Those instruction is nothing but a, sir, how many register pair is there? HL, BC, and D.
DE.
D. Yes.
Sir, HL got some advantage. What are the name of advantage? I already told you. HL act advantage already received. What are the advantage?
Sorry.
Huh?
I think it is related to M. That
Related
imaginary.
to AM, exactly. AM is only related with the HL.
Yes.
So, I've given, one chocolate to any students, and the rest of the students will be angry with me. Sir, why not I am getting? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So, these BC and DE are not happy with that.
Hmm.
Is it
Yeah.
clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
BC and DE is, not available with this kind of value. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So, what will be done? 1 minute. So, basically, BC and DE not happy with that. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So that's why there is a instructions is called LDAX and STAX. These two instructions only related with the BC and DE, not related with the HL register pair. Not related with the HL register pair. Say I am given a foot and nut to say to Aniket Ghosh, right?
Yes, sir.
So rest of the students is angry. So I'm told the now is the we will be get 5 marks each persons will be I'm given a grace, but Aniket will be get the same marks whatever he get in the examinations and all. I given a 5 marks grace to everyone, but Aniket will not be get something like that. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
It's clear to all.
Yes, sir.
So basically, what are the function of LDAX and what are the function of STX? All of you know the function of STA and LDA? All of you know the function of LDA and STA?
Yes, sir.
What are the function of LDA? Say LDA
LDA.
8400H.
It means the data of 8400H will be stored in the accumulator.
Is it clear to everyone? The
Yes, sir.
data stored in 8400H, it will be stored into the accumulator.
Later.
And
Similar
STA is the
functions,
opposite.
similar function by LDAX. Just see LDA, next is the X. What is the stand for X? I already told you. LXI, INX. What is the stand for X? Tell me.
Sir, any addition?
No. X is stand for register pair. LXI, register pair. INX, register
Yes,
pair. Something like that. So LXI, register pair. So after LDAX, I am given a BC or DE. Say I am given a BC, so I am given only B. If previously BC have the value like 8400, then this instruction and that instruction basically the same function. If previously BC is 8400, then this instruction and that instruction basically same functions. So what are the functions of LDAX-B? The content of particular memory location which is located by BC register pair will be copied into the accumulator. The content of particular memory location which is located by BC register pair will be stored into the accumulator. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
It's clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All the instructions, function and all I am given in the notes, it is available. So I'm just explaining you. Sir, how will we store the BC 8400? By any
Sir,
instruction?
higher order and lower order.
Sir, how it will be stored?
Uh,
There are basically two procedure I already told to you. One
The
procedure is
first is
LXI B,
LXI B,
8400H,
8400.
which is correct procedure. Another procedure is there is a two instruction set of A and B, MVI B, 84H, MVI C, 00H. Is it clear? With these two instructions, it will be BC will be 8400H. It's clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Any queries if you have, you can ask me. Why we are not using these two? I already told to you, this is a 4-byte instructions. This is a 4-byte instruction and this is a
3-byte instruction.
3-byte instruction. 1 byte is higher, that's why we are using these instructions. LDXB is clear? So what are the
Yes, sir.
probability of LDXB can be possible and LDXD can be possible? LDXB can be possible and LDXD can be possible. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
LDXB can be possible and LDXD can be possible. Next is, what are the function of STA? Say 8500H. What are the functions?
Just opposite of LDA.
LDA.
Means that the
Means
data of accumulator will be stored in 8500.
means the content of accumulator will be stored into the 8500H memory locations. Similar functions by STAX, say STXD, STXB can be possible, STXD can be possible, STXH cannot be possible, right? মানে কি হয়ে যাবে STX, if I am using STXH, then Aniket also get the 5 marks extra. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Receive the Cadbury from me and again get the 5 marks extra. So it will not be fair. Either one, right?
Yes, sir.
So what are the function of STXD? I already told to you LDXB, so you can say STXD. What are the functions of STXD? Please let me know.
TXD, that the data that is located in no.
The content of accumulator will be stored. Content
Yes.
of accumulator will be stored or will be copied into the particular memory location which is located by DE register pair.
Yes.
I am repeat once
What I
again.
have
The content of accumulator will be stored into the particular memory location which is located by DE register pair. Means if DE have the value like 8500, then this instruction and that instruction will be the same function. This instruction and that instruction will be the same functions, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have
Now,
a question.
yeah,
Sir, there is a content in the accumulator. Okay.
yeah,
So this content will be copied in 8500H.
yeah.
And 8500H will be in
Should be stored in DE register pair.
DE register pair.
So that's why I'm not saying the memory locations. I'm always
Yes.
saying the content of accumulator will be copied into the particular
Because
memory location,
Because the
which is
memory location
located
could
by
be
DE
anything.
register pair.
Because the memory location could be anything.
Anything. It may be 8600, it may be 8500, it may be 8501.
Okay, so that's why I asked, because it is not specified. The memory location is not specific here.
No,
but
never.
on the
It will not be specified because I am just comparison between these instruction and that instruction. That's why I'm given example the similar kind of things 8500, because
Okay,
this
sir.
instruction and that instruction will be same function in that particular positions, right?
Okay. Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Next one questions, I think that you will be asked, but you will not be asked. So I asked to you, sir, when this instruction use is better or this instruction will be better? What a ringtone, Aniket.
স্যার অ্যাকচুয়ালি বাবা এসছে, বাবা গেট খুলতে বলছে।
আরে দাও না,
থেকে
খুলে দাও না, কে আছে? আমি তো তোমার
হ্যাঁ।
ক্যামেরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি না, তুমি আছো কি নেই। বলো, which instruction is preferable and why?
So first of STAX will be preferable because that's a 1 byte instruction.
But any valuations without the content of D register pair?
Yes. Yes.
So
Yes.
to store the content of D register pair, another 3 byte instruction is required.
Required because I have no idea what is the location.
Yeah,
What is the
location is
specific
required,
memory?
na? So to store
Yes.
the locations, you should
Store the
require
location.
another 3 byte.
3 byte. Yes. Yes. Yes.
So
That will be a total of 4 bytes.
yeah,
So STA 8500 is more preferable.
yeah. Tell me. Actually,
Yes.
answer is both are preferable. But you think about why?
So depends on the situation, na.
Obviously,
When I have
whenever
whenever I have no requirement of the specific memory location, I mean, just I want to store the data in D, STXD, but then I do not need to recall anything. Then it's good. But if I need the memory location, then STA 8500 will be more preferable. Because if somehow I am in need of the memory location, then using STAX, as you said earlier, will require more 3 byte instruction.
no.
Okay.
No. Whenever we are using a single byte copy, then STA will be the preferable. Single byte copy means one memory location data copy.
Okay.
Whenever we want to in a loop, means we want to copy a block of data array, means I need a 5 data, 10 data, 20 data, then STXD will be preferable, because we will be using STXD and we will be using INXH. So whenever again we using the STXD, what will be happen?
So because it will have registered pair.
No. Say STXD, the first data will be copied from accumulator to 8500. No issues for that.
No issue.
Again, I want to copy the accumulator data into the 8501.
Okay.
So then only INXH, again I am repeat STXD. So what will be happen?
Extra bytes.
It will be copied into the 8501 also, because 8500 is the value of D. So if I'm using the INXH, so INXH is nothing but
8501.
D will be incremented by 1. So D is equal to D plus 1. So 8500 is equal to 8500 plus 1.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So what will be happen?
The data will be, I mean, yeah. The data will be stored in one after another locations in a serial wise.
Data will be stored one after another, but memory location is reduced.
Yes.
So that's why whenever we are using loop, several data will be copied, then STX, LDX will be used. Whenever the only single byte is I want to copy, then STA will be the preferable, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, and just give me 1 minute. Next program, write an assemble language program. Write an assemble language program which is copy a block of data array, which is copy a block of data array which is copy a block of data array from 8400H to 8500H. Length of the block of data array, length of the data block of data array, length of the data block, length of the block of data array stored in 8300H. 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 Question is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what are the input? Say if input
The input
8400.
is
first is stored in
8400H and 8.
8300H. Say it is a 05H.
Yes, stored.
It's a 05H. So the data from 8400H, 8401H, 8402H, 8403H, 8404H. 5 data, say AB, BC, CD, 5, 6, 56, and 7E. Okay, these are the data. Why am I right? H? Tell me,
Yes, sir.
why am I right? H?
Because those are in hexadecimal.
All are hexadecimal number, right? Next, it's output. Output store will be
স্যার বলছি 8403H টার পাশে ওটা 56H
56H. স্যার 56 এর ডেসিমাল হয়ে গেল, তাই তো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার 56 টা ডেসিমাল
কে বলেছে স্যার 56 decimal? Sir, 0 to F, any number, decimal and hexadecimal both. 0 to 9 is a compulsory, for decimal. Sir, hexadecimal, in hexadecimal 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, all are possible. So it's maybe decimal, maybe hexadecimal. That's why H is mentioning. So
Yes, sir.
it's nothing but it's a hexadecimal number. Okay. So 8500H will be AB, 8501H will be BC, 8502H will be CD, 8503H will be AB, BC, CD, 56, and 8504H will be 7EH. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So these are the data. It will be copied and it will be pasted. Okay. So how it can be done? So simply we can do it by LDA 8400H and STA 8500H. This instruction, if I am repeating 5 times, then program will be executed. Is it clear or not? It's clear to all of you?
No, sir.
Sir, I am doing these two instructions like LDA 8400H, STA 8500H. What will be happened? First LDA 8400, what will be happen?
The data will be copied and go to accumulator.
This AB will be stored into the accumulator.
Huh?
This AB will be stored into the accumulator. And what are the function of ST 8500H? This AB will be stored in 8500H.
Hmm.
Sir, next instruction.
STA 8500H.
Done. It is. Next.
Okay.
So this memory location is done. Next.
Move P.
No move. LDA 8401H, ST 501H.
Acha.
Again LDA 8402H. Again ST 8502H. It's clear to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Any other persons have any kinds of doubt? Whatever I am told you.
No, sir.
Roll number 15.
Yes, sir.
Sir, বোঝা গেছে কি বললাম?
হ্যাঁ, sir.
So it can be
বোঝা
done.
গেছে।
It can be done,
Yes, sir.
but it will not be done.
Yes.
This is the wrong procedure.
Sir, direct
Yes, sir.
একটা memory location থেকে একটা
This
memory
is the
location
wrong procedure. Why, sir? Because I don't know whether this is a 5, this is a 10, this is a 11, this is a 19 and 100. I don't know.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
It may be, 55. It may be, 10.
Hmm.
It may be 20. So there will be 20 data will be copied. So program will not be depend upon the, any data. Program you should be written a certain program which cannot be dependent with respect to any number. So 5 instructions, so you read 10 instructions, the program will be complete. But this kind of instructions will not be done. How this program will be occurred? Concept, basically the same concept, but we are using these two instructions called LDAX and STAX.
Yes.
LDAX B, so STAX D. How it will be done? So before that, BC should be and D should be. Tell me the value.
Yes, sir.
What are the
Sir,
value of BC and D?
84.
Huh?
84. Or is
And
Sir,
D?
840.
85.
8500.
Okay. So how this data will be stored? अभी तो बोला है मैंने.
LDAX.
Oh no. LXI B, 8400H. LXI D, 8500H.
500H. Yes.
Next, sir, how many times this copy will be done?
5 times.
5 times means the content of
5.
content of.
8300.
So this content of 8300 should be stored into the particular register, into a particular register. This content of 8300 should be stored in a particular register, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Like LD 8400 move B, A. So how we are copied this 8300 content into the any register? What will be the instructions? LDA? LDA?
8400H.
84 ki that's sir.
3.
83.
Because the length of the data array is stored in 8300H.
H.
So which register next? What will be the instruction? Same instruction as we are using the previous. What will be the instructions? Sir, आगे की करलाम LD 8400 move B comma A, then we will be not decrement the B and all.
Hmm.
So over same over here. So what will be the next instruction? It will be stored in a register.
Yes, sir.
Move B comma D
Move B comma
A.
A. Anything else?
So because register copy to the accumulator,
Huh?
register move to the accumulator.
Register move to the accumulator. Move B comma A is nothing but the content of accumulator will be copied into the B register. Any other? Sir, move B comma A is not possible at all.
Because we
Why?
have already stored some
Already
data
we
in
are
D.
using BC and DE. So you cannot use BC and DE.
Again, yes.
You can use only H or L. You can use only H or L, nothing else. BC and DE you cannot use. Right? So you can use only H or you can use L also.
L.
No issue. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So basically, next program is LD AX B ST AX D. Okay. Next INX B INX D. Sir, what are the purpose of INX B and INX D?
It will increment by 1. The data of B or D will get incremented by
B or
1.
D? B or D?
Now
INX
first
B.
B,
What are
then
the
D.
function of INX B? It's a X, not INR.
Register pair.
INX
So
B is
BC
nothing but a BC is equal to BC plus 1. So what will be the
Yes,
value
BC
of
plus
BC
BC
register
plus
pair
1.
now?
Is 8401.
8401. And INX D will be? D register pair will be?
8501.
8501. So if
8501.
I'm repeat this portion again,
Yes.
so which data will be copied? From 8401 to 8501.
8501. And then
From
8401.
8401 to 8501. So
01.
one procedure is done. That's why DCR H, decrement H, and jump at not 0. If not 0, then jump to the LDAXB. Sir, with this program, already result is stored from 8400 to 8500, 8401 to 8501, 8402 to 8502 until H is become a 0.
0.
Right? So
Yes, sir.
last, there is a nothing, that is HLT.
HLP.
Okay?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If I am doing this kind of things, LDA and STA, it cannot be possible because, you know, if this is a 5, then I can write a program. If 10, there is another program. If 7, there will be different program. So it will not be possible. So possible only this program only. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Again, you should be write down with a memory location and hex code.
Achha, achha.
Okay?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Memory location with the hex code. All the three programs, that is, previous day, today first write a program for multiplications. Now these are different.
Hmm.
Okay. Next, next there some other instructions also is there. Hmm. Next is CMP. Instruction is CMP. Compare. Say CMPB. What are the function of CMPB? CMP is nothing but a compare. CMP is nothing but a compare. Sir, how we compare? Like, say, I am comparing with, for highest weight over here. In this 12 people, among these 12 people, I want to find out the highest weight. So first, I'm compare with Aniket and Shubhra, roll number 21 and roll number 15. Say Shubhra will be the higher weight than Aniket. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
Shubhra will be winner. Then I will be compare with Shubhra with say roll number 27, that is Aniket Haldar. Say Aniket Haldar will be winner with this this weight machine. Then Aniket will be compare with Arijit. Then say Aniket will be winner. Then again Aniket with Bindu. And if Aniket again winner, then Aniket with Devjyoti, Devjyoti. And if again Aniket will be
Rest
the
of
winner,
people, sir.
then with compare with me, I am the winner. So Aniket will be left out. As a result, whenever in the last, who is the winner, will be get the result, right? And obviously it will be me. So,
Okay.
so my question is that how we can compare?
So first we have to take two values, compare them.
How to compare? Just think carefully how to compare.
Okay.
Say Shubhra weight is 94 kilo. Am I right, Shubhra?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
লকডাউনে কি করে কি হয়েছে এখন কেউ জানতে পারছে? So
No, sir. Tao.
Shubhra weight is 94 kilo. Say I'm compare with Aniket. Say Aniket weight is 60 kilo. Okay. Or 30 kilo. Say Aniket weight is 30 kilo. So I'm subtract Aniket weight minus Shubhra weight. Okay. Means subtract means in my mind, not physically subtractions. If physical subtraction, then Aniket will be reduced or Shubhra weight will be reduced. Not physically subtract. In a mind. If result is negative, what does it mean?
if we subtract
Aniket
Aniket's
weight
weight
minus Subra weight.
minus Subra's weight,
If result is negative,
and if then the result is
Negative.
negative, that means Subra has the higher value.
higher value
Subra's weight
or
is the
higher
higher
weight
value.
with respect to Aniket.
Hmm.
Yes.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir.
If result is positive, then
Aniket's weight is higher.
Aniket weight is higher. If
Hmm.
result is 0,
They are the
Then
same.
both are
Both
same.
are
both are
same.
same. Similar like that, CMPB is nothing but a internally done A minus B. Internally, not physical subtraction. If physical subtraction, then I am always compare with the different persons and I am getting the less weight. It's not possible at all. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Only,
Hmm.
Yes,
you know, not physical subtractions. Only in my mind there is a subtraction. There will not be change the data of A and B after the compare. The weight of Subra and Aniket or Subra or me will not be changed anymore. It's clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So A minus B. If carry flag is set, what does it mean? And zero flag is 0. Means zero flag is not set.
Hmm.
Carry set when? In a subtraction? What are the definition of carry flag? Just open it and read it. Just open and read it.
Sir, in any arithmetical logic operation, then carry flag will be set.
No. I'm given a definitions. At the time of if you have, you write down, so you just open and just read it carefully. It's available with you, the flag register. I already told you it will be, available in the examinations.
No, sir.
You have or not?
No, sir.
Or can I read it? It's available in my hand. Can I read it?
Yes, sir.
At the time of additions, it is mentioning over here, at the time of additions, if carry generated, or at the time of subtraction, if borrow is generated, then carry flag will be set.
Yes, sir.
It's
The
written in
first
my
is
hand.
positive.
It's not written in your hand.
Yes, sir. Now only I see.
It should be written in your hand, in your mind, in everywhere.
Yes, sir.
Carry generated at the time of addition, if carry generated, or at the time of subtraction, if borrow is generated. Borrow means
কারো কাছ থেকে নেওয়া
obviously borrow means বেঙ্গলিতে আমরা বলি হাতের এক.
হাতে. Yes.
Means we are subtracting a higher number with respect to a lesser number. Means we are subtract a number which is higher with respect to a lower number. Means A greater than B. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
If carry flag is 0 and jet flag also is 1, then what will be happen? Then A is equal to B. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Means result is 0. If carry flag is 0 and jet flag is also 0, then
Both are same.
huh?
Both are same.
No, not never.
No,
Less than B.
it less
A
than
less
B.
than B. Sorry.
0.
Sorry. This is A less than B. B is
The
higher with
greater
respect
than
to
B.
A.
Mhm.
A greater than B. Okay.
Okay.
It's clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If the result is negative, means carry flag is set. That means B is higher with respect to A. If result is 0, means jet flag is 1, then A is equal to B. If carry flag is reset and 0 flag also is reset, then A greater than B. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Ha, sir.
Anything else?
No, sir.
Good. Next, this is CMPB. So compare instruction is required. Now we'll be write a program. Today is not possible. Tomorrow, then I will see how to find out a highest number from